Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to find the integration of secx. Let us start. First we will consider integral secx as I. Now we are going to use the same logic that we have used in the previous videos to find integral of tan x and integration of cot x. That is, we have used that property of integral f dash x upon f of x is equal to log of f of x. But in this case we don't have a denominator, and you cannot even split sec x as 1 upon cos x because it cannot be in the form of f dash x upon f of x. For that we will multiply sec x by a term sec x plus tan x and divide it again. Now let us see the change. Considering derivative of denominator sec x plus tan x, derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x plus derivative of tan x is sec square x. If we take sec x common, we have one sec x left, and here we have one tan x left. That means you can see we have already got the numerator. Therefore, the given integral I becomes in the form of f dash x upon f of x. I will be directly equal to log of denominator, that is log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Here the value of I is integral sec x dx, that is equal to log of sec x plus tan x plus c. I hope friends you have understood how to find the integral of sec x. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.